Hey dolls, today we are getting real personal all up in my bathroom. Yes, with my curly girl. Yes. Today we are getting deep down and personal with my roots. Don't touch my hair. Solange, okay? I'll be trying the Tresemme Smooth and Silky shampoo and conditioner. And yeah, it's not new, and yeah, it's not supposed to be curly girl friendly, but my mom has been using it. It has been making her curls pop. It has been making her hair grow, and we're just gonna see what it does for me. As well as we're gonna be using the Carol's Black Vanilla Leave-In Conditioner. If you like to see how this works my hair, then keep watching this video. Alright, so I'm taking my little scarf off. I just had my hair up, showing off whatever curls I had left. Just getting my hair wet and prepping it for the shampoo. So usually I use a lot of shampoo, so don't judge me when I quickly find out that I didn't need that much. And this actually spreads very nicely throughout your hair versus other products where you have to use a lot to get your hair clean. All of your hair clean at that. Just rinsing it out. And actually it took me a minute to rinse this out. This stuff is expanded. Here's the conditioner. I actually didn't have to use a lot of conditioner as well because it just spreads out so much. The less the better, I guess, in this case. And after that shampoo, my hair felt lovely. Oh my God. No other shampoo I've used have ever made my hair feel that soft. I mean, look at my curls. They even look better already. So I'm gonna let the conditioner sit for 10 minutes and we'll be back. So I'm back washing all the conditioner out and we're gonna go from there. I've never felt my hair softer. So what I'm gonna do, see, I got more edges on this side. I'm gonna part my hair how I like it. Know about that. Actually, let's part it on this side today. So I like to do my hair in sections. That'd be cute with my hair like that. And that leaves me with this piece. So it's, oh, my hair is not even as tangled as it usually is after me washing my hair, which is crazy. I'm gonna use the little bit I have, the Dr. Miracle Grow Oil. And I like to just, wherever I parted my hair, just, you know, move your head around a little bit so it won't get in your face. You do not want this in your eye. This is going to be also my first impression on the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Leave-In Conditioner. Never used it before. Haven't even really looked at reviews on it, but I'm going to try it. Oh, that smell is lovely. I'm gonna go ahead and just flat twist my hair like so. This leave-in conditioner is kind of dry. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the rest of my hair and I'll be right back. Alright, so I finally finished twisting up my hair. Okay, so yeah, this is what it looks like. I do feel like the Curl Starter leave-in is a little drier, but I feel like it's not a lot of moisture, which is actually, in my opinion, okay, for the simple fact that when you have too much, your hair is weighed down and now bouncy. You know what I mean? So with that being said, I'm gonna put my satin bonnet on, go to sleep, because it is actually 4-something in the morning. Recording times for YouTubers, I guess that's what it is. But yeah, I will see you guys when my hair is dry and I am well rested with my beauty sleep. My hair is fully dry and I personally like to lay my edges. So I am using London. I'm recording, thank you. So I'm just gonna use like just this little bit. The real question is, where is my edge brush? When you're taking loose your twist, you want to have some type of oil to prevent frizz. So I am using the Mango and Lime Jamaican Black Castor Oil with vitamin A, D, and E. Just put mainly on your fingertips. Like that, not even a lot, because this stuff is thick. Go ahead and just, you know. So I started with this side yesterday, so I'm gonna start unraveling this side. I'm gonna add a little more of the oil to my hair. Rub it in all of my hand, my whole hand, my palms and my fingertips, and just do like this. Remember, oh, I missed another one. Now I understand in the back I may need to clip some ends that I'm kind of holding on to. Yeah, I need to clip them hoes. Okay. So I personally, instead of like detangling them even deeper, I like to just go into the roots and, you know what I mean? Like do that number right there, like a pick. So this is the best my hair is gonna look on day one. So So yeah, this is the best my hair is gonna look on day 1. Day 2 is always a more stretched, nicer looking afro. I will say in the back, I never can get it to define as well. And of course I have these little pieces that I need to clip. So tonight when I twist out my hair again, wet it, you know, see exactly where my curls are and there aren't, I will probably try to clip them or run away from clipping them. We'll see, I don't know. But I do want to talk a little bit about the Tresemme. I have never tried Tresemme in my hair ever, and I don't have the curly hair shampoo and conditioner from Tresemme. I only have the smooth and silky, which is something I just wanted to experiment with because you know, my mom has been telling me about this shampoo and she's like, her hair went from this short to this long, and I'm like, if you can do it, I can do it too, boo, okay? So far I feel like the shampoo, it is a sulfate shampoo, so I don't know if I need to be careful or what. It really cleansed my hair way better than my curly hair shampoos. Did I say that? Yeah, I did. And the conditioner, oh my god, the moisture is unfreaking real. So yeah, I'm gonna be trying this out for a while and we'll see how it goes. On the other hand, the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla leave-in conditioner is kind of dry. Like, I don't know. It is really just kind of dry, and I'm not a fan of it. I need a lot more moisture than that. I got this 4C thick girl, nappy girl hair, okay? On the other hand, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I can't wait to see you in the next video. But until next time, make sure you leave a like and a comment below about what is your favorite product. Do you even use a shampoo and conditioner? What is your favorite line for your curly hair?